Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. Alright, so today we've got something from the Weaver shop, and I believe it's the In the Soup merch you get. So let's check this out. It's pretty small, it looks pretty light. A little bubble wrap bag. So you get these clear photo cards. So let's check them out in detail. You know, it'd actually be cool, looking at this kind of package, it'd be cool if they did playing cards that were the clear playing cards that had, all the BTS members on them. I think that'd be kind of fun. So let's get into this. Let's see what this little gift was. And if I remember right, this gift was free with the In the Soup, BTS In the Soup, viewing content, but you had to pay the shipping fees, which everybody knows is extremely high for US users, like $15. So free, quote unquote. So let's see if I can get a good angle on this without the reflection. So we got RM, let's see. Okay, so there's nothing on the back. Got RM. We got Jin fishing. We got Suga just hanging out. We got J-Hope. Looks like he's walking between the houses or something. We got Jimin. We got V. And we got Jungkook with his boxing gloves. You know what I find funny about these is they're just kind of random candids. Usually they're very posed and polished, but BTS In the Soup's more about watching them kind of just have fun, in the kind of the lakeside, riverside, Airbnb. And if you've been watching BTS In the Soup like I have, I'll tell you, I love it. It's so fun. I love to just see them having fun and relaxing, playing games and just having fun. And if you haven't seen BTS In the Soup, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorites, I think. I love the Bon Voyages where they travel, and I love Run BTS for all the kind of variety games they do and that kind of thing. But BTS In the Soup is fun just because they finally are just given freedom to just kind of hang out and do whatever they want. And so it's kind of fun to see, what they do with their time, since they're usually always under pressure and on a schedule. Get to kind of see what they do and kind of figure out how to have fun. You could tell they're clearly used to working all the time. So fun show, highly recommend. I like these little clear cards. These are fun. I'm not sure where I'll put them yet, but I'm definitely going to put them up. We have a lot of these clear cards where we put them up on our refrigerator, and we kind of swap out who's in the front on different days just for fun. And there's 7 days a week, so you can kind of set a person for a day of the week, kind of like a weekly calendar. Oh, it's Jin Day. Oh, it's RM Day, Suga Day. Kind of some of the fun we do with our see-through cards. Put them on the fridge and have fun with them. Anyway, short video. Hope you enjoyed. Give a like and subscribe if you like the video. Check out BTS In the Soup, and as usual, talk to you soon.